It's a super duper hot day. Well, it isn't yet, but it's going to be. Yesterday was 37ish and just hot right until dark. And this morning we've like got up at 4:30 and had an hour's drive or so that we can just catch this first light, and maybe we'll get 2 or 3 hours in before it's you know, no good. So fallow deer on the menu again. It's a favourite for summer. Bit hard up in those mountains on the Sambar over summer, but you get away with it here or on the fallow deer if it's a bit hot. So Jason's with me again, good mate, nice to be here with him. He's got the rifle handy. I've got the recurve. I'm just going to sit in tight. Some of the tight country might split up a little bit. I'll play my cards out that way. Worth getting up for. See a sight like that. Beautiful. Take him in. Bit of wild camera work going on there.
Oh, it's a bit of wily rifle action as well too, man. Hanging off a flaming bit of wire. This bouncy city.
Well, we've got our buck. We had like 8 seconds, so it was like turn the camera on, zoom in.
Wait.
Yeah, all happened. So that's a nice outcome. Sorry we couldn't get it on film for you better, but let's go see what's going on. He's dropped straight away, so to make sure that he's dead and buried and it's not just a spine shot. So we'll go have a look. So as it turned out, it was a doe. You wouldn't have picked it from back there, such a big bodied, like it looked fairly big bodied, but she's dry. So lots of fawns about at the moment, but she's as dry, so that's why she's so fat.
Yep.
She's as fat as mud, and really that's what we're looking for. So the only reason we were chasing bucks was so that we wouldn't leave an orphan anywhere. So, just using some sewn up pillowcases with a couple of tie-offs on them. You've seen me use the pallet of meat bags, and really they're the bomb. But, you know, if you can't afford to get yourself a crash-up meat bag for whatever reason, a couple of pillowcases will do the job, especially on a fallow deer. You can break it in half. We've got a whole fallow deer in 2 pillowcases there, so